You have a bag of flour that weighs 1.2 kilograms, and you use 350 grams for a recipe. How much flour do you have left in grams? To solve this problem, first we need to convert the 1.2 kilograms to grams, and then subtract that number by 350 grams to find how much flour we have left. To convert 1.2 kilograms into grams, we need to multiply through a conversion factor. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So to convert kilograms to grams, we need to multiply through our conversion factor of 1,000 grams over 1 kilogram. Multiplying through this, the kilograms cancel and leave us with grams. Solving this, we get that 1.2 kilograms is equal to 1,200 grams. Now that our units are all in grams, we can subtract 1,200 by 350 in order to find how many grams of flour we have left. 1,200 minus 350 is equal to 850. And this is how many grams of flour are remaining. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.